Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Mukhtar Hussain. English is Muhammad Ali Academy. Welcome everyone to this topics. My village. You know, my dear participant, our Bangladesh is a lot of villages. Most of the people live in the village, and also I live in a village. So I am going to describe paragraph on my village. The name of my village is Bishesharai. It is situated in Kalukhali, Rajbari district. Our village is very beautiful, surrounded lot of green trees. Most of the people are farmer, shopkeepers, business and service holders. In our village, there is a school, madrasa, post office, and here most of the people are very simple. They are peace loving. They are hardworking and they live with each other with amenity. Everyone is very helpful. When they fall any danger, they come to help each. So we can say there is a beautiful river flow beside our village. Its name is Shiraspur Haur. It runs in the rainy season, but in the dry season there is no water in the river. There is a breeze over our rivers, and sometimes at the time of rainy season, people suffer, and sometimes they feel well. There is a lot of green fields. Farmers grow their paddy, jute, and other crops. They lead a happy life. If they sell their goods at the market, here is a hart. It sits weekly 2 times. They sell their goods at fairly price. I love my village very much because it is as like as my mother. Everyone loves his birthplace more than any other thing. So I love my village. Thank you, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.